Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Northwestern Mutual for benefits and policy management, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with Northwestern Mutual, visit their official website. Locate the client login button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the client login button to access the login page. If you are a new user, find the register option to create your account. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, date of birth, and policy details. Follow the prompts to set a username and password for your account. Once registered, return to the login page and enter your newly created username and password. After logging in, navigate to the Benefits and Policy Management section. Here, you will find options to view your benefits, policies, and claims. If you need to authorize any changes or updates, look for the Authorize button. Click on the Authorize button to begin the verification process. You may be required to provide additional identification, such as a social security number or policy number. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Ensure all information entered is accurate to avoid delays. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message regarding your authorization. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or notifications. For any issues, you can contact Northwestern Mutual's customer service for assistance. Once authorized, you will have full access to manage your policies and benefits securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.